Okay, first let me say all the rumors of my death have been greatly exaggerated, but I was near death a couple times today. uh, my new knee, it is done finally. So after a year and a half in the making, I have a new knee only a few hours after surgery, which just totally blows me away that I can be doing this and moving my knee. And it was pretty harrowing getting out of here this morning. Where, for those of you who don't know, that we've had like an unbelievable blizzard, the first blizzard of the year. So I get up and I leave here at about 7:45, and within half a mile of the house, I almost went off the road. The car literally was going sideways, and I overcorrected. I almost went off the other side, and then when it came to a T, I almost went off the road there. Just getting off this mountain was terrible. We had like 6 inches of snow, hadn't been plowed yet, and I get down to Campton, and it was better. Well, no, it wasn't better. I mean, you always think it's going to be better, and it usually is. But I got down there, that wasn't plowed. I thought, okay, when I get to 93, it's going to be fine because they're plowing constantly. 93 was a mess. I was going 20 miles an hour. So I missed my appointment by about an hour and a half. I got stuck behind some plow trucks in Concord doing 10 miles an hour. Luckily, they took the fourth person and put them in front of me, and then I got my surgery done just after 12 or 1 sometime, I don't remember. But went really well. Everything went completely as predicted, and as you can see, I got movement. I can't really put weight on it. I can walk with crutches. I can go up steps. A bunch of ice. So amazing what they did. You can see there's the Band-Aid. Gigantic Band-Aid. I've never seen such a thing. So what they did is so I got inside, there's stitches that will dissolve when I don't have to go back and get them taken out. And they used to use staples to do this years ago, but now they use glue. They've got this kind of glue that keeps the skin together, and it'll stay on for about a week. And these Band-Aids are waterproof, so I can take a shower with them. So this is great. They replaced the joint. They actually cut the bone out, and all the nerves go with it. So I'll never have joint pain again. Joint pain. I'll have pain of this, the incision healing, and probably for about a week or so. And I start physical therapy. Well, I'm starting therapy tomorrow. They've got a list of exercises that I need to do, mostly to keep this joint stretched and moved. If it's stretching as it's healing, you get a better outcome. And after a week, little by little, I can start putting a little bit of weight on it. And so, a year and a half in the making, I got my Christmas present, a new knee. I'm a happy camper.